How to build backlinks with your content. One of the goals of content marketing is to generate links from other websites and increase the authority and visibility of your site. However, not all content types are equally effective at attracting links. Here are 10 content types that can generate links. Infographics are visual representations of data or information that can be easily shared and embedded on other sites. Infographics can showcase your expertise, provide valuable insights, and appeal to your audience's curiosity. Guides are comprehensive and detailed resources covering a specific topic or problem. Guides can help you establish credibility, educate your audience, and solve their pain points. Case studies are stories of how you or your clients achieved a specific result or solved a challenge using your product or service. Case studies can demonstrate your value proposition, showcase your success stories, and inspire trust and confidence. Surveys are type of research projects collect and analyze data from a sample of your target market or industry. Surveys can help you uncover trends, insights, and opinions useful for your audience and stakeholders. E-books are long-form content pieces that provide in-depth information or advice on a specific topic. E-books showcase your thought leadership, generate leads, and build your email list. Webinars are live or recorded online presentations that provide valuable information or training on a specific topic. Webinars can help you engage your audience, showcase your expertise, and generate leads. Podcasts are audio recordings feature conversations or interviews on a specific topic or niche. Podcasts can help you reach a wider audience, build relationships with influencers, and create a loyal fan base. Videos are visual content pieces that feature demonstrations, tutorials, testimonials, stories, or entertainment on a specific topic or niche. Videos can help capture attention, increase engagement, and appeal to different learning styles. Quizzes are interactive content pieces test your audience's knowledge or personality on a specific topic or niche. Quizzes can help you generate leads, increase engagement, and personalize your content. Checklists are practical content pieces that list steps or tasks to complete a specific goal or project. Checklists can help you simplify complex processes, provide actionable tips, and increase conversions. There are many content types can generate links and drive traffic to your website. Some of the most effective ones are infographics, case studies, original research, guides, lists, videos, podcasts, interviews, testimonials, and reviews. These content types can provide value to your audience, showcase your expertise and authority, and attract attention from other websites and influencers. Creating and promoting these content types can improve your search engine ranking, increase your brand awareness, and grow your online presence. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.